Hello everyone, today we are going to make a cool wavy text animation in Blender, and the function we're going to use is subdivision, wave modifier, and some shading and 3-point lightning. And let's get into the tutorial. So first, Shift A, add a new text and go to the properties, change the font, and here, if you cannot find the font that you just installed, go to this folder. This is your username, and remember this folder. I'm gonna use Roboto as an example. So here, hit tab, go to edit mode, and then we can change the words that we want. I'm gonna use John View as an example. And here we can go to the geometry and extrude it. I'm gonna extrude 1 meter and add a little bevel 002, and then convert to mesh and Control A, apply our transforms. And RX, rotate to 90, RX 90, and tab, go to edit mode, and I'm gonna go to the edge mode, select all the edges. Remember to turn the X3 on so we can select all the edges. Right click, subdivide. I'm gonna subdivide to 60. Alright. And the next thing I'm gonna do is add a new modifier called Wave modifier. Wave modifier. And to keep that Y axis, so that we'll move around the Y axis, be like this. And let's see. Now it's moving too fast. I'm gonna decrease its speed a little bit. 002, 004. Set origin to geometry. Control A, apply our transforms. Alright, this is the effect that we want. I think the apply didn't work out because I forgot to select this object. Yeah. So next thing I'm gonna do is click here, viewport shading, and I'm gonna add 3 lights. It's called 3-point lightning. And first I'm gonna add a spotlight, which is our key light, and I'm gonna set it to 5,000. Point to this, and I'm gonna add another, which is half the power, 2500. Add a light in the back. I'm gonna set it to 1000. Alright, like this. Rotate the light a little bit. Rotate and make those 2 lights in front. Rotate the bar, rotate it a little bit. Yeah. And I'm going to go into the world texture to change the color to a light orange. go to the render settings, color management, filmic, and high contrast. Right. And the next thing I'm gonna do is adding texture to this text object. Go shade editor, add a new material, and color ramp. And Control T. Like this. Connect it to color. And I'm going to use generated texture like this, and change the mapping direction a little bit. Rotate it like this. All right, and I'm going to use ease and change this color to maybe light brown. It kind of looks like a chocolate, but I'm not going to use orange this time. Light orange. And here it's light green. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna reduce the roughness a little bit to make it shining. See the highlight on the edges and create some metallic. Alright. And next thing I'm gonna do is adding a front light. So the front light will project on the surface in the front. Area light like this, and the properties, I'm going to set it to rectangle and S and X and R X 90. Alright, and set the power to 500. Maybe 200. Alright. And the last thing we're gonna do is setting up a camera. So pick ideal direction, ideal angle, maybe like this, and Control Alt 0. The camera will automatically set to the viewport we are in right now, and we can select the camera and change the X and Y a little bit. Right. Go to here, I'm gonna set render to maybe 800. Yeah, okay, leave this. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please leave a like. If you're new around here, please hit subscribe. And thank you all for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.